Okay, Virgo. Basically, yeah, I've been trying to recuperate. I had to have bed rest and everything, and I'm feeling better. And yeah, yesterday I was able to prepare a whole meal without having. Well, I did get a little bit of prep help, but I usually do have prep help. So yeah, so I decided to come out and get your read done. I haven't given up. I just am recuperating, and yeah, things get moving good, and then they go backwards again, and move good and go backwards again. So it'll be okay. I'll get it together. Definitely. Okay. Let's go ahead and get started. First of all, this time around basically is what I got. It's a scripture. It's First Timothy 6:12, and it's fight the good fight of faith. Take hold of the life that lasts forever. You were chosen to receive it. You have spoken well about this life in front of many people. So I feel like, to me, this scripture is saying, stand in faith, the truth of knowing that you were given everlasting life. This is an avatar. This is a body. We have a soul. We have a spirit. You have stood in faith, and you just overcome so many things, because life has pain. It comes with pain, right? And you've overcome those circumstances, those pains. You've been satisfied in what state you've been in. And therefore, because of that, you know, no matter what, that you will always stand in the truth of who you are, and you are eternal. Okay. Um, Also, I did go, I do get your energies, and I just feel like this is a Virgo, and it's not going to resonate with everybody, but the energies I was picking up is basically that you're not letting any monkeys stop your destiny. Okay. That, you know that you're awakening to a new way, new ways in love, new ways, and seeing the new opportunities that surround you, but also a new desire and new passion that's driving you within your life. And you're also having growth and expansion and newness, I feel like, within your spirit realm as well as your monetary realm. Okay. That's basically what I'm getting. And the fact that absolutely you know who you are. You are ready for growth and expansion, but you've definitely been keeping um, like you haven't been showing your hand. You've been keeping this hidden, that you are awakening to who you truly are, your true nature, and the fact that you are starting a new beginning. I also felt like that you were keeping someone that you want a new beginning with hidden, but we shall see. You got the arrow as far as the shaman oracles go. This is telling me that you set your intentions for this, and you let your arrow go. You released it, knowing in faith again that that arrow was going to hit its mark. Your intentions that you set were coming to you, and that's what's happening now. That's exactly what I feel. Okay, let's go ahead, and I do want to get energies out here underlying. Okay, for Virgo, please. Let me see Virgo's physical victory. You're having victory within the physical realm, round and round within that very core of your soul. We'll see more. Let me see passion, desire, drive, a caring connection. I'm going to have to pull them down. I don't like to. I don't have a lot of room. Nothing more than I can do. Studio's not done. Everything's not done. And I'm having to be satisfied in whatever state I'm in. Okay. Opportunity is basically imagine. And on the bottom of the Shamanic Oracle deck, you did get magic. I will go to that at the end and we'll see. But you got imagine. Your opportunity is unlimited because it's an imagination. You use your imagination. You imagine what you want. Set your intentions. Release that arrow. Okay? Let me see any opposition that may be coming your way. Indecisions. Okay? Advice. Community. Outcome. Time to go. Bottom of the deck, happy family. Okay, Virgo, basically within your physical realm, I do see that you're having victory. Within the core of your very soul, round and round, this is more spherical, so it's not like you're just going in a circle like this. You are ascending. You're going through an ascension, but it feels like at times you're going in circles. However, I feel like your passion, your drive, your desire is toward a caring connection. Like I said, I feel like it's something you're keeping hidden. Your opportunity, just whatever you imagine and set your attentions to, Virgo, you can have. And you're in indecisions. You're not sure what you want to create. Okay. But I feel like that you definitely are, I'm not sure about the community. I'm really not. We're going to see. But definitely your outcome is it's time to go. Whatever it is, it's time to go. Again, I feel like you set your intentions and, it's time for them to, take form. Let me see victory for Virgo, please. You're methodical. you, you know what's up, okay? Victory. You've had some sleepless nights. Maybe this victory wasn't worth the victory. Maybe it wasn't worth the win. You do struggle a bit with this within your heart. You do feel like you're going in a circle, and you do struggle with this caring connection. Somebody you're watching. As I said, you have not showed your full hand yet, Virgo. Imagine. The culprit was two pills. I got rid of one. The other one, though, I still kind of have to take, at least until I see what's going on. They were tearing my stomach up bad. I couldn't talk. I couldn't focus. Imagine. You are imagining. You're imagining basically moving towards somebody with a lot of love that you would like to pour out on them. A lot of emotions as well, too. Okay. But you have indecisions. Let me see these indecisions for Virgo, please. Maybe dealing with a Scorpio, Cancer, or Pisces. We've got fire and swords, air and fire out of here too. Ah, you have indecisions because I feel like that you did, you tried to sneak away from something in the past. And it feels like it might have been your equal. Community. Let me see. Ah, you may have met this person within a community group or something like that, or lives in your community. This is somebody that you definitely are wanting to, you're wanting to make up with, come back together with. Time to go. Yeah. You've been taking your time, but you're picking up speed, as you can see. Even though that's the Knight of Pentacles, you can see the speed. You're not slowing down, and you're beginning to pick up speed because you know it's time. I feel like you're going toward a renewal, an awakening with your person. And you've been keeping this hid from others. Again, we have a Queen of Cups out here. Someone very grounded that I feel like has offered definitely themselves to you. It took this person a lot of strength to do so. This person's an overcomer. Okay. Let's get the little Celtic deck out. This was left up there. This person can see building something with you. Okay. This is the Universal Celtic. Let me see the bottom. There you are, Virgo, Hermit. You got the star in that lantern. You've been healing from something. Okay. See if we can see some more. You're having victory over sleepless nights. Let me see this. Let me see this. Show me this for Virgo, please. Not sleeping very well. That's a trait of Virgo as well, too. That way. Okay, thank you. You were indecisive. You were following you were being more traditional, more authoritative, keeping your back toward your emotions and doing what intellectually made sense. But releasing the fear, the dread, the sleepless nights. Yeah, because you got clarity of the truth. We'll see some more. Got clarity of the truth. Okay, let me see this because you feel like you've been stuck going around and around and around. within that very core of your soul, within your heart. Again, we've got the Knight of Cups here. There's somebody you definitely feel, it's maybe somebody you're deeply involved with. Someone that you definitely feel a lot of love for and emotions for. Someone you would like to move toward and offer your emotions toward. Let me see this. You're struggling with this because you seem to be going around in circles instead of going toward them. Let me see this. It's causing you to feel defeated. That's why you've been keeping you haven't been showing your hand. You've been keeping your feelings and everything, your emotions locked away and hidden. Because you're watching. This is someone that you care for, that you're watching. King of Pentacles. We know, Virgo, you like to be stable and grounded, and you don't like a lot of adventure, a lot of surprises coming your way. But the person you are watching, you just feel like they're stable, they're grounded. They have a very soothing nature about them, is what I'm hearing. Let me see this. Someone, as I said, this may be a choice for you. Yeah, this is a choice. This is why you had indecisions, and this is why you feel like, again, that you're not really sure because you were a little bit sneaky with your person because you had options in love. Yeah, I feel like you had more than one person. I feel like one person knew that you had a lover on the side and the other one didn't. I feel like one might have been an air sign. Very well could have been a Queen of Swords. Let me see this, lovers. You're taking swift action to this, to straighten this out, is what I'm feeling like. Because you most definitely are wanting to offer an abundance of emotions to somebody I feel like you're deeply involved with. Somebody that you've been imagining anyways that is yours. You've definitely set boundaries up for yourself. Yeah. You're using your wisdom. You're using diplomacy with this person because you I feel like you most definitely, you did something behind this person's back that was sneaky. And you want them to forgive you. That's what I'm hearing. Let me see these. No, go ahead. Show me the Eight of Swords you did. Yeah, you're trying to use diplomacy, definitely. You want to go toward this person because this is somebody you want to pour your love out on. You do. You want a new beginning with this person. Let me see the indecisions. Getting caught being sneaky. Again, I'm reading your energies. Person's energies did come out. As I said, I think very much you are dealing with a water sign, but you were possibly dealing with an air sign. And possibly the water sign, I don't know for sure, could as well be, yeah, I don't know. This is somebody at one time you saw a future with. Someone that, yeah, you were taking quick action to. Somebody that you wanted to protect, nurture. This was definitely your equal. Somebody that wanted to make you, crown you their king, no, I feel like their king or their emperor. We'll see. Let me see this coming together. I feel like that you and this person come out of some kind of community, or you live in the same community, something. There is a healing caduceus, which is telling me you are wanting to heal this and mend this connection. It's an equal connection. This is somebody that you want to make up with and come back with. Let me see. Yep. Because there's been a change, a shift within this connection as well. Yeah, there has been a change. Somebody I feel like has been helping the divine feminine definitely get balanced out. But there has been a sudden change. The Tower's there along with the Two of Pentacles. Let me see. Again, we have the Knight of Pentacles here. This is somebody that's not in any hurry. In fact, I feel like that, yeah, it's like we're going to get this balanced out. And then we're going to slowly talk about this on the back of our dragons. No, you're taking your time, definitely taking your time. You're not going to go too fast to this person, but you want to come back together. Okay. It is the outcome, possible outcome. Again, this isn't set in stone, people. possible outcome. Again, we have the Knight of Pentacles. Here, the Knight of Pentacles exists. You are taking your time because there's a change. But you know the possibility of an time to go. There's a time that you feel like it's time to go. I feel like you feel like the time is now, and you're picking up speed because you see everything with this person. You feel like you can create and build with this person. Again, this is somebody that you know that you haven't been the best to. We're just going to put it that way. And you've been conflicted about this. But you can't let this person go. This reminds me of, when you have an equal, somebody that you love or care for that much, that deeply, you could literally bury a person in like 50 feet under the ground and stand 100 people over the top of that ground, and you can go and find your person by standing underneath of them. You can smell them, sense them, feel them, taste them, touch them, even if you're not together. And that's what I feel like you're saying. I can still feel this person. I can still smell this person. I still taste this person. Blindfolded or not, I can find this person a million miles away. Okay. On the bottom of the deck, your person very well may be an Empress. Okay, I want to go ahead and let's get one of these little, these are the Tree of Life, I think. I just want to, that was clear. I want to see the Knight of Swords, please. Now, show me the moon. Let me see the Eight of Swords, please. Let me see the Eight of Swords. Thank you. These will go back. Well, I feel like the reason you've been going around in circles is because you set up too many boundaries for yourself. You've got yourself blocked in. You are trying to escape. Yeah, that's your passion and your desire. To escape your own boundaries that you set up. You are taking action. You did have a situation where you were keeping two lovers, two people, but out of the two, there was a caring connection, an equal connection, I feel like. You've been watching this person very intently. This person has a very soothing nature about them. And you're taking swift action toward this situation. Let me see it. Yeah, you're cutting everything out that just is not desirable or passionate for you. You want to focus on one. Yeah. You would like to pull them swords out of the hearts of anybody that you've hurt. Yeah, most definitely. This has caused a lot of insecurities for you, Virgo, but you would love to pour your love all over your person. You're trying to be very diplomatic about this. Yeah. You're wanting to communicate with this person. You want there to be peaceful communication. I think you're wanting to communicate to them about the other situation you had going on with them so you can explain. That's just what I'm hearing. Let me see. Did you give it to me? Yeah, because this definitely caused an ending. But you are wanting to rebirth this. Okay, let me see. Yep, a new beginning. Something you can begin to build, at least the cornerstone of a legacy between you and your person. You're going toward this person, most definitely. This is the yin to your yang, and it's time for you to wear your crown. It's time for you to stand up and be the leader that you are. Yeah. It's time for you to be given to equally. It's time for things to be set fairly between you and this person. And you may even have this person's child, or this person may have your child, Virgo. Again, not gender specific, and flip it as it resonates with you. Yeah. This is how you plan to make progress with this person. Because again, You know this is your equal. This is spiritual connection. Okay. Everything else is pretty clear. You're getting a new beginning with unlimited potential and possibilities. Yes, you are. Okay. Let's go ahead with this little runic deck for your person. Okay. I have a Queen of Cups out here again. I told you Cancers, Pisces, or Scorpio. You're dealing with. It don't have to be. Again, it could be the energies they're in. But yeah. Let me see the Queen of Cups, please, for Virgo's person. Let me see the Queen of Cups for Virgo's person, please. Queen of Cups for Virgo's person. Wheel of Fortune. What about this destiny? They knew it was destined to end, but they also know it's destined for a rebirth. Because they know this is a spiritual connection. In fact, they feel that you are already married in the spirit. Virgo, this person is most definitely an overcomer, a fighter, somebody that has strength. Yeah. And they know it's time to move forward. They're going toward their sun. They're going toward their happiness. They're going toward this rebirth. They feel it. Yeah, because they feel the same about you. They feel like you're grounded, founded, grounded, and you have a very soothing nature. Yeah. They're wanting to communicate their emotions, their feelings to you. And let me see the Three of Pentacles, because they are wanting to build with you, to try to at least establish a foundation with you. Yeah. Two of Cups. They'd like to make up and come back together with you. Because here you are again. They've been taking some time out, reflecting, introspecting, being intimate with herself, using their wisdom. Mm-hmm. Yeah, because they see victory. They see a future with you. Yep. They're saying, yep, a cycle ended between us, and now it's time to take action. Quick action. Yeah, absolutely. Page of Wands, communication, opportunities for passion and desire. Yeah, making progress. toward your happiness. Standing strong, giving birth to new ideas and opportunities, making the right choices and decisions for this connection. Your person is Ten of Cups, because they want to be happy. They want you to be happy with them as well. Okay. Let's go ahead, and I am going to see if there's any telepathy between you and your person. And then maybe pull a couple charms and bid you adieu, Virgo. Okay. Telepathy, any telepathy between these two. You got your Ten of Cups. Your person is definitely, they plan on the Ten of Cups. Okay, it's that simple. Connection. Your connection is eternal and unbreakable, and that's what I said, and that's what your person knows too. Soul. Your soul is preparing to reestablish trust in process. What did I say? Attract. The appeal of soul pairing goes beyond superficiality. Absolutely. Let me see your person. Telepathy between them. And let me know in comments if you've heard this. Because sometimes we think we're going nuts. It's like, I know that was my person. That wasn't me. That was my person. There is telepathy. Marriage. Your person, the marriage of souls, is the union of two divine opponents. Your person, have they communicated that they actually can see you married? Let me see. Telepathy between Virgo and their person. Boundary. Having sensible boundaries is important. Sensible boundaries. Remember that, Virgo, because your boundaries were a little too strict and rigid. You blocked yourself. Synchronicity. Divine soul matches have amazing moments of synchronicity, of synchronizing. Accept. Be prepared to accept what fate has in store for you. Bottom of the deck, openness. Be open to receiving divine guidance in relationships. I think that's what your person, your divine feminine, is actually doing, getting divine guidance. Okay, let's go ahead and get you some charms. Oh, we have the baby. We definitely have rebirth out here for you and your person. You have the key to this person's heart, and maybe you're going to Disney World or Disneyland. I don't know. I do know you hold the key to this person's heart. I feel that there's a lot of romance between the both of you, but also I feel that, again, there was a tower moment. And yes, here's the sun. Here comes the sun. You definitely want a rebirth with this. You hold the keys to the mystery of yourself and everybody else, Virgo. You understand spirit, soul. You understand the point of the avatar, the 3-in-1, the egg symbolizing, the shell, the body, the white, the spirit, and the yolk, the soul. And yes, you follow and listen to spirit guidance. You may also have Indian in you. Okay, there might be American Indian in you. I'm just saying. Okay, so basically, let's see. I want to see the magic in this. I don't know that I ever drew that one. It's number 33. The essence. The symbol represents the infinite intelligence of Great Spirit that makes up the fundamental fabric of the universe. We experience the evidence of this magic through synchronicity or meaningful coincidences. When magic appears, you're invited to see the world through the eyes of wonder and awe, taking on the innocence of a child who knows that all things are possible. What did I tell you? Infinite potential exists in the great mind, and you are being invited to call it in and recognize the dance in synchronistic events, signs, symbols, omens, given to you through the oracle of the ordinary world. This is a sign that the Spirit is reminding you that you co-create your world in a sacred partnership. What? Your part is to dream, to intend, and to watch for the signs that show you what next action to take. Right now, it appears that you are on the right track to make your dreams come true. Great Spirit is listening and acting on your behalf. Pay attention. Magic gives birth to miracles. Have you forgotten that you live in a world that is infused with magic? Perhaps you become cynical and think you have to create your life all by yourself with no help from others. It's time to remember your relationship to Source, for you are part of a story of the world, a living spark of spirit, living on earth for this short time as an emissary of light. If you look back over your life, you will find many instances in which your actions alone were not the cause of out of the blue coincidences that led you to that new relationship, job, or other important moment on your journey. So how do you stay in this awareness? The answer is simple. If you can be a little child and cultivate the wondrous curiosity, you will see the magic sign and be amazed. Again, remember, magic is real and in everything. Yes, it is. Okay, thank you so much, Virgo, for sharing your beautiful energies with me. Sorry again. I'm not giving up. I mean, I know I've been dealing with a lot, and I just keep on pushing and pushing and pushing. And but sometimes, I don't know how to relax or stop, and so yeah, spirit shuts me down, and that kind of like, yeah, I'm going to have to start learning how to do that better, so I don't get put on my butt. But again, thank you so very much for sharing your energies with me. I appreciate you and appreciate all my new subscribers. Um, Bear with me. I get better from here, folks. I promise. Anyways, everybody just take care of yourself. Be safe. Be kind to one another, please, and know that you're always loved. See you later, Virgo.